Hi, my name is Johnatan Echevarria. I'm studying civil engineering, and the topic of this presentation is globalization and interculturality in civil engineering. We will talk about connecting the world, respecting cultures. Today we will talk about first introduction to transformative forces, then globalization in civil engineering types, then characteristics engineering without borders, then advantages, global opportunities, then challenges, what we lose and risk, then interculturality, a necessary response, then practical dimensions, then integrate cases, global plus intercultural, and finally conclusion. Introduction to transformative forces. Civil engineering in an interconnected world. Globalization, technical and professional integration without borders. Interculturality, dialogue between diverse knowledge and practices. Globalization in civil engineering types. Four dimensions that shape our profession. First, technological. Use of software like BIM or building information modeling. Second, economic. International financing and consortiums. Third, regulatory. Adoption of international standards like ISO. And fourth, professional. Labor certifications. Features. Engineering without borders. Projects that bring the world together. International consortiums like Vinci and China Rail, also global supply chains for materials like cement, steel, technology, and virtual teams working 24/7. Advantages, global opportunities. For professional development, first, advanced technology, access to BIM, donations, 3D printing, also opportunities in global mega projects, and learning from global best practices. Constant innovation, solutions proven in other contexts, and specialized materials, steels, concretes, global geosynthetics. Challenges, what we lose and risk. Risks in poorly managed globalization, erosion of local techniques, displacement of traditional knowledge, technological dependence, software requirement, foreign patents, cultural disconnect, designs that do not respond to the context, and global environmental impact, carbon footprint of import materials. Interculturality, a necessary response. Why does engineering require cultural sensitivity? Projects transform territories with identity. Communities have diverse worldviews. Development must be with the people, not for the people. Sustainable engineering is culturally respectful. Practical dimensions. In the day-to-day life of an intercultural civil engineer. First, communication. Accessible technical language and cultural translation. Second, negotiation. Respect for community timelines and processes. Third, design. Infrastructure that dialogues with the cultural landscape. And fourth, management. Inclusive leadership in multicultural teams. Integrate cases. Global and intercultural. The case of hydroelectric project in Latin America. First, global technology, like German turbines and Swiss controls. Second, international financing, like Chinese banks. Third, intercultural team, engineers from 5 countries. Fourth, intercultural approach, prior consultation with communities and adapt design. And finally, the result, technically sound, and socially accepted project. Conclusion. Civil engineers as cultural bridges. We don't just build concrete bridges, we build connections between worlds. Our goal, to take advantage of the best aspects of globalization, like technology, and incorporate the essentials of interculturality. For example, respect, adaptation, and dialogue. Thank you.